Hey guys, this is Lynne from Fitnut here. Today I wanted to make a really easy, quick, one bowl, no bake energy ball. So these guys here are packed with oats and protein, so lots of fibre, lots of good, nutritious oats in there, and make for a really good snack before or after exercise, or as a treat. So let's see what's in here. As I said, we need some awesome oats. We just pop it in the bowl here. Oats, lots of fibre, lots of vitamins and minerals in oats. Rich in antioxidants, help control your blood sugar, and very good for your mood as well. Now, we get some more protein from these chia seeds. You can also use linseeds, flax seeds. I just happen to have chia seeds today, so that's what I'm using. And some yummy coconut, desiccated coconut. Healthy fats and oils in there. Here we have some nice cacao powder, dark chocolate cacao powder. Pop that in there. And we have some maple syrup. You can use agave syrup or golden syrup, whatever you happen to have in your house, whatever is your preference. So we'll pop that in there for the sweetness. And last but not least, I'm using almond butter today. This is a smooth almond butter. You can use peanut butter, whatever works for your taste. Perhaps you can use both. There's cashew butter as well. Almond's my favourite, so it's my personal preference. Really good essential fats in this almond butter. And we're just going to give it a mix. Once your mixture is all blitzed together, you're just going to take a little lump of it. Here's the fun part. Roll it into a little ball. And then I like to put some coconut around mine too, to make them look like little snowballs. So super simple to make, and you should get about 20 of these from the mixture. They can stay in the fridge for about a week, and you can freeze these and they can stay in the freezer for up to 3 months, so you always have some on hand. Thanks guys, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy.
Fitnut.